现场尊敬的各位领导。
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to the Huawei Intelligent Campus session on Technology Empowers Campuses. The session will start in 4 minutes. Please kindly take your seats and set your phone on mute or vibration mode. Don't move around in the meeting room after the session starts. And we also like to remind you the survey be prepared. We hope that you can participate in this survey to get a chance to win a gift. If you are the winner of the lucky draw, then you can claim the gift by the exception desk outside the meeting room after the meeting. Thank you very much.
亲爱的各位来宾朋友，再次温馨提示各位，再次欢迎各位莅临到华为智慧园区科技赋予园区新生命的论坛现场。我们的活动即将于稍后11点15分正式开启。
Our session will start at 11:15 Beijing time. Please kindly take your seats. And you're welcome to participate in our survey by scanning the QR code to get a chance to win a gift. And if you're the winner of the lucky draw, you can claim the gift by the exception desk outside the meeting room when the session ends. Thank you. Once again, we'd like to remind you that the session will start at 11:15.
现场尊敬的各位领导、各位来宾、女士们、先生们，再次欢迎大家莅临到我们。
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to the Huawei Intelligence Campus session on Technology Empowers Campuses. The session will start at 11:15. Please kindly take your seats.
此时大屏幕上发售后呢，我们也会为您切到我们今天的二维码参与抽奖问答环节。凡是参与我们调查问卷的朋友们，稍后都有机会来进行领取到精美礼品一份。也请您在会议开启之前，将您的通讯设备调为静音或是震动模式。会议开启之后，请勿在我们的会场随意走动。精彩即将于稍后11点15分正式开始，朋友们敬请期待。
亲爱的各位来宾朋友，距离我们今天华为智慧园区科技赋予
园区新生命论坛开始还有1分钟，请您抓紧时间看落座。再次温馨提示刚刚到场的各位来宾朋友，距离我们今天论坛正式开始还有倒计时1分钟，请您尽快抓紧时间就绪落座。此时位于我们舞台的 左侧还有部分的空余座位，各位还没有找到座位的来宾朋友，请您移步到我们的舞台左侧的座位观众席处进行入座。感谢您的莅临，让我们共同期待稍后的精彩开始。 现场尊敬的各位领导、各位来宾、女士们、先生们，以及此时正在线上收看我们今天的二维码参与抽奖的朋友们，各位中午好！ 欢迎各位莅临
Good
到我们今
morning.
天
Welcome
华
to
为智
Huawei
慧园
Intelligent
区
Campus
科技
session
赋予
on
园
Technology
区新生
Empowers
命的论坛现
Campuses.
场。我是今天的主持人
I'm your
Sherry， 非常
host
荣幸
today.
能够与
My name
大
is
家
Sherry.
共同见证到今
I'm
天的
honored
会议
to
盛
be
况。
here
那
together
么
with
与此
you.
同时，我们都知道，目前人类文明是经过
Having
了
been through
农业社会
agricultural
和
and
工业
industrial
社会，
societies,
迈入了我们由
humans are
数
now
字科
embracing
技
an
主导的
intelligent
智能
society
社会。
driven by
园
digital
区目前已
technologies,
经成为
in
人类
which
生
campuses
活
have become
和
an
社会
important
发
vessel
展
of
的
human
重要
life
承
and
载
social
体。
development.
随着
With
5G、
the rapid
AI、
developments of
云、物联
ICT
网等等
technologies such as
ICT
5G,
技术的
AI,
快速发
cloud
展，
and
曾
IoT,
经看似遥不可
technologies
及，
that
那
once
些
seemed
技术
remote
目
have
前已
become
经
the
成为了
norm.
常态化。同时，技术进步也体现在了我们园区的方方
Advancements
面
are
面以及
reflected
各
in all
行各业
aspects
当
of
中。
campuses and
今天呢，我们就
industries.
相聚在这
Today we
里。
are here
那同时，现场
to
我们也邀
discuss
请到了参会企业、业界专家、
with
行业伙伴，
our
来共
partners
同
and
的去
experts in
探
the
讨
industry
我们园区数字化
the
之路，
road to
共
digital
同去拥
campuses
抱我
and
们智慧
embrace
园
the
区
new
的发
opportunities
展
of
新机
intelligent
遇。好的，亲
campuses.
爱的朋友们，接下来呢，也首先让我们有
First of
请
all,
到华为咨
let's
询与
welcome
集成
Mr.
使
Ma
能服务部
Haixu,
总裁马海旭先
President
生
of Huawei
为我们
Consulting
今天
and
论
Integration
坛致开
Enablement
场
Service
词，掌声有
Department to
请。
deliver the opening remarks. Distinguished leaders, guests, and friends online, good morning. It's a great pleasure to be here with you all along the beautiful Huangpu River. On behalf of Huawei, I would like to thank all of you for attending Huawei Connect 2020. And we welcome you all to this session on Technology Empowers Campuses. I would like to take this opportunity to share a few points. First of all, why campus becomes more and more important. Recently, we have been talking about digital transformations, smart cities, etc. But as you know, campus is the basic unit of digital societies and smart cities. Without our digital campus, it's difficult for you to build a fully connected, intelligent world. Campus is a community that we live and work. Many technologies, many applications in the industry are now lacking standards. So we hope that we can use technology to empower campuses, and we aim to develop standards to enable the booming development of campuses and make it a major driving force of intelligent world. I have several points to make in today's session. First of all, new technologies such as 5G, clouds, and AI are bringing new opportunities to intelligent campuses. In our future development, we will focus on GPT, general purpose technologies, such as 5G, cloud, AI, etc. In the future decades, these technologies will be able to change the world, and they will be the driving forces of technical development. Since 21st century, human society is moving from an information society to an intelligent society, thanks to the rapid development of new ICT technologies. But the ICT technology has to be deeply integrated with industry knowledge. There should be a convergence between these two, so that they're able to create huge value and huge opportunities to the intelligent campuses, making ordinary intelligent campus possible. 5G is featured by high bandwidth and low latency. These features of 5G will be first applied to enable AR, VR, HD video backhaul, drones, and robots inside the campus. The convergence of these technologies will enable digitalizations of campus. The development of cloud and computing technologies has driven the migrations of campus network to the cloud. Building a cloudified campus network has become an industry consensus. And cloudification also makes the speed of deploying new technologies even faster. And we are also able to use resources elastically To cope with the peak demands of resources and maximize the utilization rates of resources, various AI algorithms such as face and behavior recognition, intrusion detection, and security detection are also increasingly used inside campuses, making campus more intelligent. In Huawei campus, for example, our employees can access the gates via face recognition. And we've also deployed cameras to conduct perimeter detection. We can easily detect intrusion via our smart solutions. And we've also applied various AI technologies to enable smart lighting and other facilities in the campus. Driven by new ICT technologies, campus terminals are increasingly digitalized, IP-based, and intelligent. An era of digital and intelligent campus is around the corner. In May this year, Huawei and Accenture jointly released the Future Intelligent Campus White Paper, which defines the future intelligent campus as a digital space for sustainable development. By releasing this white paper, we hope that we can develop industry standards together with our partners to sustain the development of campus industry. Without standards, it's difficult for us to focus on the mainstream of this industry. By releasing this white paper, we hope that we can explore and develop industry standards with our partners so that we are able to formulate a key theme or a mainline for the development of this industry. In the future campus, all elements in the campus will be sensed and connected. They will interact with each other to create value during the process of information exchange and service convergence. All things sensing, all things intelligent, and all things connected will be the three major features of the future campus and the future society. We believe that these will all happen inside the campus in the future. In the future, the campus will also feature all things sensing, all things connected, and all things intelligent. Different elements in the campus will cooperate with each other to give birth to various applications and enable various industries. What are the values that Huawei bring to the society? We will in fact focus on platform and ecosystem to redefine the campus. In 2015, China National Standard 15,314 defined 38 recurrent systems in campuses, which plays an important role in promoting intelligent buildings and campuses. However, these systems are vertical, closed, and not connected, and therefore suffer from problems like difficult campus management, poor user experience, and long construction periods, as well as high maintenance costs. Huawei proposed to reconstruct OT with ICT technologies to redefine campuses. First, with the traditional recurrent system being vertically decoupled, horizontally integrated, and separated between connection and control, Huawei has realized the interworking between hundreds of devices in a campus. On this basis, campus data is imported into data lake and converged to create value. Huawei also builds a cloud-based digital campus platform to accumulate campus device and service assets. Based on our platform, the campus service assets can be accumulated on our platform. And with this accumulation, we are able to have better adaptation with the application layer that will also make the data lake development easier, allowing our partners to develop applications easily based on our platform. We're going to realize user-centric, experience-driven, and intelligent all-scenario campus. At Huawei Connect last year, Huawei released the intelligent campus solution Hi Campus. Tomorrow, we will launch Hi Campus Link solution, based on which all devices in the campus will be plug-and-play and reliably connected. Based on extensive connections, Huawei's intelligent campus solution can be easily integrated with customers and partners through an open and intelligent platform. Third, campus is an industry that requires an ecosystem. Huawei will work with our partners to create value for our customers. The essence of intelligent campus is digitalized buildings and campus. It is truly an industry that requires an ecosystem. In this trillion-dollar market, we insist on doing what we do. Huawei is positioned to become the fertile soil for digital economic development, focusing on building an ICT infrastructure platform featuring cloud network edge synergy. We are willing to open up our capabilities and best practices in 5G, cloud computing, big data, AI, and IoT, as well as software development, and jointly incubate innovative solutions with our partners in the ecosystem to enable the digital transformation of our industries. Recently, I've met many partners and experts in the industry, and they all have high expectations on campus, because we know that campus is the vessel of human life and social development. It will play a very important role in building a smart city. If we start from campus digitalization, it's easier for us to truly realize smart cities in the future, and we believe that many technologies will be booming in campus scenario. In the intelligent campus industry, we focus on campus digital platform and campus connections, which Huawei is good at, while opening up the huge market of devices and service applications to our partners. We value the long-term cooperation with our intelligent campus partners and will fully leverage their rich industry experience to jointly build competitive intelligent campus solutions and create value for our customers. The water is wide at the full tide as Sailwolf East hands in soft breeze. With favorable winds in the intelligent campus industry, Huawei is willing to work with our customers and partners to grab new opportunities for win-win in the near future. Thank you. Thank you very much for your wonderful speech. Please kindly take a seat. Campus ecosystem is booming. Ubiquitous connections and pervasive intelligence are accelerating at the advent of an all-scenario intelligent campus. Now let's welcome Dr. Su Baohua, President of Intelligent Campus Business Department, Auto Cloud and AIBG, to share his presentation on technology empowers campus. Welcome.
各位嘉宾，线上的各位朋友，大家
Distinguished
上午
guests
好。
and friends online, good morning.
欢迎大家来参加全球直播的智慧园区论坛。
The Intelligent Campus
我
session.
们相聚在这美丽的黄浦江畔。
We gather here every year along the Huangpu River to discuss the future of Intelligent Campus. Last year, we launched Huawei Intelligent Campus Solution, and over the past 1 year, we have made significant achievements and breakthroughs. More and more customers are embracing intelligent campuses, and more partners are embracing the wave of digital and intelligent campuses. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to share with you the achievements we have made in the last year and also the insights we have accumulated. New infrastructure is the national strategy of China, and we need a foothold to get this implemented. We believe that intelligent campus is the foothold for that to happen. And campus is the basic vessel and unit of social development. It is also a vessel for us to satisfy the people's aspiration for better work and better life. And it is a very good starting point for us to get the ICT and new infrastructure development strategy. Mr. Ma just now mentioned that Huawei has released a white paper with Accenture. In the white paper, we have been discussing and exploring what does the future intelligent campus look like. We believe that the future campus features the connections of different elements, including human devices and things, etc. It's like a child which is able to iterate continuously. It starts as an infant and it grows gradually to become a grown-up. But
a building does not have a life, how can we bestow life to a building? We can do it with technologies. In the future intelligent campus, there will be one space, 4 features, 3 objectives, and 1 vision. In the future intelligent campus will integrate the physical space and digital space into digital twins. And the 4 features are comprehensive sensing, ubiquitous connectivity, proactive services, and intelligent evolution. On top of that, there are 3 objectives: people-oriented, green and efficient, value-added services. And the vision is to bring digital to every campus for pervasive intelligence. When we look at intelligent campus, we do it from top down. So we will focus on the experience. The roles in intelligent campus are user, operator, manager, and owner. And values we can create include ubiquitous connectivity, convergent and shared data, and pervasive intelligence. And we achieve or create these values through 5G, AI, cloud, etc. This will help us to support the pervasive intelligence. Over the past 2+ years, we pilot our solution in Huawei's own campus. We developed the intelligent campus solution. In 2015, the national standard defines 38 standards for the weak current systems. And in the past, the systems were provided by different companies, but now the subsystems are vertically closed and the subsystems used to be vertically closed and not connected with each other. But now we have been able to connect them, and we have been able to accumulate the data, and we use campus services. So that is the architecture. In this architecture, Huawei is focused on the connection and digital platform because Huawei has accumulations over the past 30 years in this. And we open the devices and all the other things to our partners. We only take 10% of the industry. The rest, 90% of the industry will be open to our partners. And we provide 4 values to our customers. From single scenario to all scenario. We achieve overall intelligence, enable business innovation, improve operational efficiency, and offer superior experience. On the 21st of March, in the Fuzhou Ecosystem Conference, I said that besides roads, what is left is the campuses. The campus industry is very big. How to engage the requirements of different customers? Huawei has 3 modes of solutions. The first mode is public cloud. It can be applied to various campuses, but the service must be migrated to cloud. And the benefits for the customer include light assets and low initial investment, one platform for different services across multiple campuses, agile service deployment, which is flexible and scalable, and low technical requirements. We have developed services on the public cloud, including spatial, temporal, common services, integration services, converged communications, and so on. We put them together and we develop the services on the cloud and open the cloud to our partners so that they can have various applications from IOC, facility management, all the way to enterprise services and smart emergency response. In market, we have many successful public cloud cases to share with you. If your campus is a small and medium-sized campus, especially if there's only one building, And if you want the data sovereignty on premises, then I will recommend to you the Cloud Edge Synergy solution. We have the Edge Central Node, Edge Intelligent Node, and Edge Access Node. Here we have the Cloud Edge Synergy solution. The training is on the cloud. And the benefits for the customer include pre-integration, easy delivery, and easy O&M. It only takes 6 hours for installation and commissioning. In Lijia, we had the first site. And in Huayuanchun, we will have the second one. It has a small footprint. On the first floor in the exhibition hall, you will see a 42U cabinet. It's very small. At the same time, it has low technical threshold. In the future, the market space will be very big if each and every campus will adopt this solution mode. If you have large and medium-sized campuses, you also need to build data centers, and the software and hardware will be deployed on-premise. For those, we recommend the hybrid cloud solution. The benefits for the customer include core services run on the cloud, one platform for different services across multiple campuses, heterogeneous multi-cloud management, and smooth capacity expansion. So no matter what campus it is, we can provide you with a suitable solution. It could be public cloud, or cloud edge synergy, or hybrid cloud. Our R&D will be there to support you all the time. There are over 30 weak current systems in the campus and hundreds of devices in the campus. So an ecosystem is important. Tomorrow, we have a launch event with Hikvision vision. If you're interested, you can attend it. In the campus, we have smoke detectors and other devices. Working with Hikvision vision, over the past year, we have already developed 73 terminal partners and completed the integration and interconnection of 204 campus terminals in 16 types. For example, for the turnstile, after installing one, we can have the interface protocol on the cloud, and any company can call the interface protocol and control the turnstile. We're doing this, we're taking the same approach, one device, one terminal after another. So we intend to increase the number of terminals to 1,000. If we're able to do that, then we will meet over 90% of the campus's requirements. And there are two reports. The first one is the Intelligence Campus Blueprint. The first one is co-launched or co-released with Accenture. We're releasing this once every 2 years to envisage the future intelligent campus for everyone. And the next report is Intelligent Campus Standards. It's guidelines for implementation. Last year, the SACTC held the Intelligent Campus Conference in Shenzhen, and we co-launched the white paper with them. And this year, we finished the initiation of standard setting for intelligent campus. 3 days ago, we finished the project initiation for the working group of the national standard. So we will continue in this direction. Here is some of our partners. We have over 40 partners. We will work with them to explore opportunities in industrial park, intelligent school campus, and so on. We will develop around 100 core intelligent campus partners. Huawei hopes that the partners will become the top 100 core partners. And we have already certified 20 core partners this year. Mr. Ren said that if we do our due job, putting together, that will be a great country. So if we do our due job with our partners, then putting them together will be an intelligent campus. Thank you for attending today's session. We have 2 other sessions on the intelligent campus. I hope that you can attend the other 2 sessions on intelligent campus. Thank you so much for your consistent support. Let's work together to navigate the $1 trillion intelligent campus market. Thank you so much, Dr. Su, for your sharing. Our economy is developing very fast, and the exhibition economy is also growing fast, and it is now growing from 2 dimensions to 3 dimensions, with soft power as the new age. Today we are honored to have Mr. Wang Yanhua, the board chairman of National Convention and Exhibition Center, Tianjin. Dear guests, I'm Wang Yanhua from National Convention and Exhibition Center, Tianjin. I want to thank Huawei for inviting me to Huawei Connect. We are all from different industries, and we're faced with different business development requirements and pressure. But we share one thing in common, that is faced with digital transformation and technologies. We are facing the same challenge. That is how to leverage emerging technologies to lead innovation and development in the industry. National Convention and Exhibition Center had cooperation with Huawei, and before introducing to you our cooperation, I want to share with you the value and meaning of building intelligent campus. In the Guangzhou Canton Fair Exhibition Hall, and the National Convention and Exhibition Center in Shanghai, and National Convention and Exhibition Center in Tianjin. These are the 3 main exhibition halls in China. And in the Canton Fair, Premier Li attended in person, and President Xi also attended exhibitions in person as well. All this shows that the exhibition halls and centers are not only about promoting trade, it now creates different values. The exhibition centers now have become the window for trade. They are also the representation of trade and economic development. They show a country's image and the city's image as well. Since they have so many functions in the exhibition industry, we need to develop intelligence. So what is the current situation around the world? Now we have many exhibition halls in China, but they're mainly manually operated and managed. The level of intelligence lags far behind technological development. For example, Canton Fair and NCEC in Shanghai they have undergone intelligent transformation at high costs. So in the NCEC Tianjin, starting from the design phase, we have embedded intelligent technologies.
We have 13,000 square meters in the Tianjin Convention and Exhibition Center. The phase 1 of our project will be put into use next year, and the second phase will be completed in the year after next year. Today I would like to share with you our practices regarding intelligent transformation in the Tianjin National Convention and Exhibition Center. There are complex scenarios in the exhibition hall with different participants, and they all have different focuses and requirements. We have roles such as exhibition hall organizer, exhibitor, visitor, government, and service provider, etc. They all have different requirements in different areas related to the exhibition hall. And the exhibition hall need to satisfy these diversified requirements from different stakeholders. And the competition intensifies in this industry. And changing from 2D to 3D model with the soft power as a new edge.
三维呢，就是指的地缘的这种属性，也就是会展产业园区的所在的位置。
The 3 dimensions of competition are geographical attribute, exhibition theme, and the soft power. Regarding geographical attributes, Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou are 3 major cities in China which have a lot of advantage. But we believe that Tianjin will also be an emerging city for exhibition in the future. And as for the exhibition theme, we should decide the themes according to the national strategies at different stages of our development. And the third aspect is the soft power. It's about how we can satisfy the needs and requirements of different participants in the exhibition business across different areas. New ICT technology is the key to improve the soft power of exhibition halls, including mobile apps, VR, AR, AI, big data, 5G, and IoT, etc. These technologies are relatively mature these days. In the Tianjin NCNC, we have conducted 3 types of activities. First of all intelligent infrastructure. Second, all digital operation. And ultimately deliver smart experience to users and customers. We adapt to the development trend of the exhibition industry and improve our own capabilities. We have built our unique service model based on our own service model, and we've also developed leading smart applications based on global practices and experience. We have applied 5G network across the entire exhibition hall, and based on that, we've also taken green and energy saving very seriously. As for operation management, we've also developed a new operation model for the smart exhibition hall. With this, we are able to satisfy the requirements and demands of various users and participants. On the left-hand side, you can see the traditional architecture that is applied by basically all the 300 exhibition halls in China. It's a siloed architecture, leading to data separation and data silos. In the Canton Fair exhibition hall, for example, at its peak, there are more than 60 subsystems to enable the operations of the exhibition hall. This entails large investments, however, does not deliver superior user experience. Therefore, we need to apply new ICT technologies to integrate data and
我
systems.
们天津国家会展中心整个的这个智慧体系呢，分成3个层级。
There are 3 layers in our smart service system, including basic facilities, platform layer, and the business layer. As for basic facilities, we have wireless, wide network, 5G coverage, IoT, security device, data center, etc. And at the platform layer, we have developed a digital platform that integrates different applications and digitalize them to enable the operations of NCEC. And we satisfy 3 business requirements, namely user experience as the core, operations improvements as the foundation, and business innovation as the driving force. In terms of infrastructure, we utilize new ICT to build the hardware foundation. This is the bird view of Tianjin National Convention and Exhibition Center. We have 100% 5G coverage in the exhibition hall, and we have also 100% video coverage across the exhibition hall with more than 2,000 monitoring points. And at the platform layer, we streamline intelligent subsystems and support intelligent applications. The purpose of this is to break the data silos to build a comprehensive data lake to serve our operations and applications. At our application layer, according to our current design, we are able to achieve the rose user experience. This is the model we use for exhibition service. There are 5 aspects, namely real-time, on-demand, online, do-it-yourself, and social. In the future, enterprises, visitors, and governments, and other stakeholders related to the exhibition business will be able to have brand new experience based on this model. According to our current progress, we have witnessed very good cooperation with Huawei. We are confident that the Tianjin National Convention and Exhibition Center will be having the highest level of intelligence among all the exhibition centers in China, and it will also be an exhibition center that has the highest number of applications that are intelligent. We're going to have this put into place next year, and we welcome you to attend one of the exhibitions that will take place in our exhibition hall. We recommend you to attend this China Building Science Conference and Green Intelligent Building Expo that will take place in Tianjin NCEC. In this exhibition, we believe that we will attract more than 1,000 companies and partners to attend and to participate in this expo. By then, we are able to exchange ideas with each other to discuss latest trends on building science, and we welcome you to be part of this expo. Once again, I would like to thank Huawei again for inviting me, and thank you for your listening.
好的，非常感谢给我们带来的精彩分享，请您入席落座。
Thank you for your
就像
wonderful
刚才开始我
sharing.
们说到了，目前智慧园区是覆盖到了各行
As
各
we've
业。
mentioned
刚才我是
earlier,
通过这个行
Intelligent
业来做了
Campus
深
is
入
seen
的
across
影
different
响研究，展
industries.
会行业结合到我们智慧园区
Mr.
带
Wang
来
has
的影
shared
响及
the
发展。接下
impacts
来我
of
们继续
intelligent
将目光
solution
聚焦
on
到下一个行业，就是
exhibition
关
industry.
于
Now let's
造
look at
船
another
行业。
industry,
那
which
江
is
南造船也是
shipbuilding.
作为百年企业，
As a
见证一个
century-old
万世
enterprise,
纪的沧桑
Jiangnan
一手民
Shipyard has
间。
witnessed the ebb and flow of a century and a half, and it has grown even stronger via technical enablement. Now allow me to introduce Chu Minghua, Director of IT Research Center and Executive Vice President of Research Institutes of Jiangnan Shipyard, who will speak on the topic of technology opens a new chapter of smart operations for Jiangnan Shipyard. Welcome.
2008年由于世博会，我们就从江对岸搬迁到了美丽的长兴岛。
2008, because of the World Export, we have relocated our company's facilities. Shipyard industry or shipbuilding industry is different from other industries, so I would like to talk about how technology empowers the industrial parks for our shipbuilding business. We are very often inspired by history. Jiangnan Shipyard was established in 1865. It was a birthplace of national industry and cradle of industrial workers, and now it has become the largest shipbuilding company in China. And we have been pursuing after developing a very international shipbuilding industry. We have very innovative products, including large-scale ships and container ships, which redefine the shipbuilding industry, but this also poses new requirements on operation and management, because we need to deliver even better user experience. Apart from manufacturing ships, in our industry, we are already starting our journey of digital transformation. We have laid solid foundation. In 2015, we have started our transformation. However, we realized that digital products are far from enough. We need to better our ways of managing campuses. A ship is like a mobile city. Without intelligence, the efficiency and cost will become problems. In Changxing Island, for example, we have more than 20,000 employees and many other supplier employees working in the campus. And so we have more than 1 million of components and devices for a single ship. How can we manage this complexity? Man-based management and operation is prone to errors. Therefore, we have to change the ways of operation and management. We need to emancipate our employees from repetitive and trivial management activities. Our target is to achieve database operations and leading campus management through digital transformation. We covered 3 major areas, including connectivity, sensing of data, and intelligence enablement. We have implemented routine monitoring across the entire campus, and based on data, we are able to do analysis and inform decision making. In the manufacturing process, there are all kinds of changes. Changes may happen in milliseconds. So we need to collect data in real time. Plus, we need to realize the interconnection of different systems, because we have thousands of workers working in different places of the campus, including employees and personnel for facility management, access control, car parking, etc. We have to find a way to manage this complexity, and we work with Huawei to develop our architecture for transformation. At the bottom, you can see the sensing layer. For heavy industry, sensing layer is very weak. Traditionally, we deployed cameras, attendance control machine, as well as batch to control the attendance of our employees. However, that is very inefficient. That is why we have deployed a new sensing layer, which brings many new possibilities to our industry. For example, we now use face recognition to replace the traditional clock-in, clock-out approach of attendance management. Badges can also lead to security problems because we don't know whether there's a clear mapping between the badges and the actual employees.
So we've done a lot in the sensing layer. And we did a lot to improve the connection and computing layer. Through Huawei's ROMA, we connect the connection and computing layer. And then we need to think about what is the aim and what is the target. So in the application layer, we had 3 applications through our cooperation with Huawei. One is the 5G ship industrial applications, digital shipbuilding applications, and intelligent campus applications. These have already been applied. After the pandemic this year, we launched these applications online. We regret not having launched these applications before the pandemic because the pandemic can really test whether this solution is effective or not. Because during the pandemic, our employees were wearing masks. And in shipbuilding, it's a heavy industry. It is highly discreet. We need to ensure the safety of the employees. If the employees do not wear helmets, they cannot enter the manufacturing sites. But sometimes there are exceptions, and some visitors may come to Jiangnan Shipyard for the first time. So to solve this, we deployed behavior detection. For example, if you do not wear helmets, you cannot onboard the ship. And if you smoke, which is against our rule, it will also be captured. And we can receive the alerts within seconds. This can solve many issues. In the past, the management and patrol were all done manually. And then, intelligent access. In the past, the attendance was checked through the card swiping, but now it is done through facial recognition. And also in the past, visitors need to queue in line for the access. But now, they can do it through facial recognition and their ID cards. And we can also do the privilege check. If they are allowed access to certain areas, they can get in there. But if they are not allowed to get in some areas, they won't be able to get through the access control. And we also have clock in and clock out with facial recognition. And we also have the smart canteen line. We've always wanted to do this. We moved from the city center to Changqing Island. We hope that our employees will miss this island after staying home for a few days. We hope that our employees can feel technological improvement. So we changed our old way of canteen line. Our employees can freely choose what they want and pay in seconds. Our meals are offered for free, and our employees can have automated checkout and self-service ordering, and they feel the technological improvement. We have changed our old way of operation, and our campuses are being transformed. As a result, all departments within our company are thinking about how to fully leverage these technologies. In the current situation, it is labor-intensive. and departments are siloed. I think manufacturing enterprises are the same. There's manufacturing department, there's security department, and we also have confidentiality department. Different departments have different resource requirements. If I'm in charge of security, I want to deploy one video camera. But those in charge of confidentiality also need to deploy cameras or video surveillance cameras. So we are now breaking the boundaries between the departments. And what we have now is, or what we aim to achieve is the platform-driven precise services. We tend to move from planned services to on-demand services, and from on-site service from static and fixed on-site service personnel to dynamic shared personnel. And we've already seen progress and benefits with this new solution. In security, in the past, the guards were checking the videos all the time. And we also have the video-based patrol. In the IOC, our security guards and security personnel can check the videos. And we have also greatly improved the security and safety in the manufacturing sites. And the original visitor reservation approval and access time has also been reduced by 50%. And with these solutions, we may be able to reduce the number of positions we need. And we're thinking about transforming our governance model. We need to rethink about the division of work, and we need to think about how to better manage the company under this new era. And the incident video invoking time has been reduced by 80%. On the internet, if there was a picture, then we need to check what was wrong. It was time-consuming and energy-consuming, but now we can have behavior detection or identification. If there's a suspicious person wearing certain shirt and trousers, then we can get the track or the trail of this person quickly. The Peoples.com interviewed us about this intelligent campus, hailing Jiangnan Shipyard as a new ecosystem model for Shanghai intelligent campuses. In the shipbuilding industry and in the heavy manufacturing industry, we are a pioneer in building intelligent campus. The intelligent campus improved our management and operation. For the digital transformation of big enterprises, we are serving as a role model to accelerate that process. That's all for my sharing today. Thank you. Thank you so much for your wonderful sharing. Just now, we talk about two industries. And based on the sharings just now, we have seen enterprises getting benefits from the digital transformation. But which digital transformation stage are companies in? Now I will give the floor to Mr. Chiu, Head of Huawei Global Marketing, for the sharing. Distinguished guests, we've just heard sharings from a few companies, and Dr. Su shared Huawei's practices as well. Maybe you think that these are just a few cases, but what is the situation actually? Which digital transformation stage are companies in now? What are their top challenges? Everyone wants to conduct campus transformation, but have there been pitfalls in other companies' experience. So we did an analysis with IDC, and based on the data we have, we want to show you which transformation stage are companies in and what are the key challenges that need to be solved. Campuses are undergoing in-depth transformation, not only a single system, the whole architecture is different. The siloed systems have moved into a cloudified architecture. So what are the challenges? Huawei and IDC interviewed 700 enterprise customers around the world in 10 countries and 8 industries. So I should say that these companies are representative. We've asked questions, and we're focused on a few things. First, which digital transformation phase is your enterprise campus in? And second, what are the challenges? As we all know, a good thing is hard won. So, what are the pitfalls these companies have been through? We've got a few key findings. The first key finding is that this key finding is about the digital transformation phase the enterprise is in. 8.4% of campuses believe that they have been fully digitalized, and 28.4% of companies believe that most of their businesses have digitalized. And these two putting together is around 37%. That means 37% of enterprise campuses have achieved in-depth digitalization. And then 32.9% of enterprises believe that a few of the businesses have digitalized. And 19.1% of enterprises believe that the digital transformation has just started. So these all putting together is over 80%. That means only a bit over 10% of enterprises haven't started digital transformation. And the rest have already started digital transformation, or they have already achieved in-depth digitalization. So digitalization is now implemented in depth. It is not just a pure concept now. And secondly, we ask the enterprises, what are the key challenges in digital transformation? Interestingly, the finding is that around half of the respondents say that the end-to-end business experience cannot be guaranteed. As we all know, you may not have good experience even if you have all the functions. For example, I don't know whether you've been to the exhibition of HC this year. In the day, we present to the Chinese audience, and in the evening, we have webcasts for our overseas audience. So we need to achieve seamless roaming, and also need to ensure good experience of the webcasted exhibition. And all these need to be planned and guaranteed. And around 38% of the respondents say that they do not have operations management tools. That means they do not have the skills for network management, and they require simple tools.
So here we see two top challenges in digital transformation of the campuses. The first one is the high-performance network that can guarantee end-to-end experience. And the second one is intelligent network management and operation, which needs to be simple.
These are the top two demands for companies' digital transformation because they need to have pervasive network connectivity for office, and they need to have bandwidth of more than 10 Mbits per second to facilitate efficient video conference. This is the key finding number 3. Everyone wants to make a change. However, it doesn't come easy. Many companies want to reconstruct their campus network. On the left-hand side, you can see the willingness of companies. In the scale, 1 means not having any willingness to reconstruct their network. But 76% of the companies really want to reconstruct their campus network. And when they are asked about difficulties and challenges, their answers are, first of all, complex network architecture, second, lack of personnel skills. Not all of the campuses are operated by IT personnel like Huawei does. Many campuses are not having abundant IT manpower. As a result, it's difficult for them to reconstruct their network campus. Therefore, they would like to have simpler technology architecture and simpler management. The white paper has been released, so you can download the white paper to read at it at greater details offline. But today I would like to share some key findings with you. Companies want to modernize their campus network, however, they are facing pain points such as complex network architecture and lack of personnel. Our recommendation to them is you need to have a high-level design for network optimization, and you have to design the KPIs for measuring good experience. And you need to define the network architecture as well as select the architecture and technologies for the network. You need to have an architecture in place first and then take stepwise approach to get it implemented. HLD is very important. Improving the operation, simplifying the architecture, and delivering better experience are the 3 pillars. With the Wi-Fi 6, you are able to deliver a rate per user up to 100 Mbits, and the network throughput can be up to 1 Gbit. We have good technologies to help companies to modernize their architecture so that they are able to adapt to various applications and to achieve better convergence. Huawei's solution is a good fit. We have spent huge effort on designing our solution. To facilitate easy app development and introduction, we have developed a digital platform for smart campuses, allowing for convergence of various data and application. And we also have an integrated network. The Ethernet optical network are now integrated for deployment. And for access, we have already realized all wireless access, be it 5G or other types of connection and access, allowing users to have very free roaming experience, laying a solid foundation for end-to-end intelligent campus development. management challenges and performance challenges can be addressed through this solution. We use AI to enable simple O&M. Now I would like to invite the Vice President of IDC China and the Chief Analyst of IDC China, Mr. Wu Lianfeng, to jointly release the white paper together with me. And I hope that you can read the white paper and where the details laid out.
总裁兼首席分析师伍连峰先生与我们秀恩先生共同来发布今天的白皮书环节。那么也有请我们全场所有来宾共同的来见证到我们今天的精彩时刻。那我们可以用手中的镜头为他们来铭记下此刻精彩时分。好的，那么这个环节的话，也让我们全场所有的来宾朋友共同进入到倒计时3、2、1。ICT 智慧园区数字化转型白皮书正式发布。
Now we officially launch the Intelligent Campus ICT Infrastructure Substrates Digital Transformation White Paper. Thank you very much. Please kindly take a seat.
那么，此时在我们大屏幕上方为各位呈现到的就是刚才我们秋恒先生所说到的电子版的白皮书，各位可以通过扫码在线上获取进行了解。好的，亲爱的朋友们，那么时间进行到这里，也即将进入到我们今天科技赋予园区新生命论坛的尾声环节。那么，除了我们今天为您准备了白皮书环节的电子版之外，再次温馨提示，我们今天所有的论坛都有一个调查问卷环节。那么，我们可以通过扫描我们身后大屏幕上方的二维码，最后再次进行我们的调查问卷。如果说您有中奖，此时就可以在会议结束之后前往到我们此时会议室门外的工作人员处进行领取奖品。好的，亲爱的朋友们，那么我们今天上午的论坛环节暂时告一段落，为大家预告一下，我们今天下午的1点30分以及15点50分都会有非常精彩的论坛环节，是需要我们邀请律师们来各位，同时在今天下午1点30分凡是到场的朋友，我们都为您准备了一个精致的伴手礼，当中包括了华为手环、华为耳机以及华为蓝牙音响3选1，非常的震撼。所以我们也希望各位能够在下午的时分持续的守候。好的，亲爱的朋友们，接下来祝各位品鉴愉快，我们稍后下午再会，谢谢。